You guys, Storm don't like this camera. Every time I have to really sneak and get shots. Because this one, she'll be doing the cutest thing. As soon as she see the camera, she stops. Storm, can you get back in that cute position you were in before I turn the camera on, please? Nobody want to look at you digging for crumbs. Come on, lay right here. Lay right there like you was doing. You looking so cute. Lay right there. Girl, I can touch this bed if I want to. I get. Listen, I'm just trying to ask you. Storm. Girl, selfish. Just only child syndrome. Don't touch her stuff. Watch this. Let me just get the blanket so we can go wash it. Okay? We're just gonna go wash today. Okay, thank you. Excuse me. Storm, I need the blanket. Okay, well, can you lay right here then? Can you lay right here like he was doing? Sorry, y'all.